Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your love.
Hello friends, welcome back to Amazing Women's World. In this video I have come up to show you making of this super magnificent, extraordinary looking pearl work designing using the normal stitching needle. So without wasting time, let's quickly start with this design. Here I am going to use 12 strands of anchor thread and giving the French knot here, and I am also using antique silver zardosi with the normal zardosi of silver color. Antique zardosi I will be cutting in 1 centimeter length like this. This is to create the flower pattern all around this French knot. We need to stitch 8 to 9 to create the petals, overlapping it one on another. The first petal is done. Now I'll be locating the center of this, and this is how we have to create each and every petal one on another. Please do follow these instructions step by step so that it will make your work easy to do. Also, you can try this designing on already stitched blouses, which is so simple as we are busy with our hectic works in this festive mode, and these designs are really looking so awesome and will really takes less time and less efforts. This is how we will create the silver metallic zardosi. The flower shape would look like this. All these materials which I have used for this designing is easily available in the fancy stores, tailoring material shops. Also, the links is provided in the description box. If you want, you can check it. This would be the last petal which I am gonna create to create this flower. Now extending further, here I am gonna use 1 mm size of pearls, inserting of 12 to 13 at a time, and here I am using cotton silk thread with 9 number hemming needle. This is how we have to join the pearls first, and in between these pearls I would be using normal silver zardosi string which I cut in very small size, followed with the sugar bead. Both I would be inserting at a time, and that we have to join in between these pearls. I think this is clear to you now. Having any doubts, you can write to me in the comment section. These are the very unique looking booties or motifs which you can try for the necklines or for the sleeves designing which I have shown in the pic. So between each pearl I would be giving the stitch for the joining of the zardosi string along with the sugar bead. Now towards the ends I would be joining the French knot here. Two I would be stitching using the baby pink color of anchor thread. You can also try with the silk threads or any types of embroidering threads. Now on this strip I would be stitching the silver zardosi string which I am creating here the loop like this. On this strip also I am gonna give the stitch so that it will be in place. Now here I am going to use dark pink color which is of 12 strands. This is to give long French knots here like this. The center one followed with other two on either sides. This is how the complete designing on the sleeves will be continued. First we need to create this designer booty or the flower motif with the using of pearls and zardosi metallic strings. On this strip we have to stitch this using the French knots. The complete design will be followed. You can try this for the necklines or for the sleeves, and this would be the last French knot, and the final lookout would look like this. Really friends, these designs are really trending designs which will take less time and less efforts in these festive occasion. I hope sharing of this idea is useful to you all. If you really enjoyed watching this video, please hit the like icon to support my efforts. Also do share this video in your community circles, may be useful to others. Thank you so much for watching friends. Meet you all with another interesting video. Subscribe to Amazing Women's World channel. Stay